Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. We have changed the name of our channel as Secure Cell because the channel name Road to ACP was not catering to the needs of many things which I have received during my comments. Stream even post changing its name and branding, but henceforth I have decided that yes, it is very much unfair to the dedicated subscriber of the channel that I am just ignoring their repeated comments. And so this is my sincere apology to each and everyone. And without much ado, let us jump into the topic of the day. In this topic, we'll be understanding that how you can use the Wireshark to solve some forensic kind of challenge based on the network packet capture files. You all understand that the PCAP files are nothing but they are basically showing all the skeleton of your network activity. Whatever that is happening in your network that are being captured by this Wireshark and stored in a file that is called PCAP file, packet capture file. So I recently participated in a CTF called PicoCTF. It is a very user-friendly CTF. And I hope that you have heard about it. If you're not, then I just recommend that go and sign up. And there you will find lots of practice challenges. These practice challenges will hone up your skills as well. Because it is very important that you should have a platform from where you can start. And I recommend that PicoCTF is one of them. So just go to it. So in 2025, there was a challenge on network traffic, and this was the network traffic that I have loaded in my Wireshark file. And you can see there are source and destination and protocols and length and info. These are the few columns, and along with there are time column as well, time of packets. So we need to the challenge states that you have to extract the TCP payload out of it. Now, if you just go and click one of, so you can see initially I thought that where is the, so I was thinking all this as a base 64 code encoded as part of the payload, and then we can decode it using base 64 decoding methods, and finally form to create our flag. Now, in order to do that, if you just do all this thing very random, manually, then I know that it is going to take a lot of time. So I created a little program to extract the things, and this is my little program. And once I run this program, it will show you the flag. Okay. See, I've run the program, and in a short while, you can find the flag. See, this is the flag. All that base 64 file which I have shown in the TCP payload part, extracted from this TCP payload, and converted and decoded, base 64 decoded, and try to form a conclusive string. So this is the flag for us, PicoCTF. Now it is your responsibility to form the flag in such a way that it helps to solve the problem. So you can understand that it has started from here. It was easy, to be honest, for not that. And this was the line, and this is the final close parenthesis. So friends, I hope that this has added something to your, knowledge domain. And you will not see me slacking this time. Thank you, and keep showering your love. And please share this channel more and more, because the growth of the channel is also a kind of motivational factor for me. And I hope that you understand that why, how and when things motivates you, when you get a little bit of attention, even if the attention is not in a positive or negative positive sense, you may give your honest comment to it, that what kind of stuff you want to see. I'll definitely now try my level best to bring the things before you. So thank you, friends, and bye-bye from Secure Cell.